It's a nice pistol.
How do you get yours to shoot straight?
What?
The hop up.
Yeah.
Hop up?
I know how to just hop up, but what gram of BBs do you use?
2.5s. If you're outside, use 2.5s.
Alright, that's what I have.
That's the same.
If you go inside, you can use whatever you want. If you like an indoor game, you can use.
Where's Larry at? There's going to be all these blue barrels in this tower. Those will be in play. You guys can play here. There's going to be a team that's going to spawn on this corner.
I
understand some of you may be like, oh, this wasn't open in Call of Duty like the map, but, you know, this is a big group, so we're opening up a little bit. So essentially what we just walked was the boundary lines for what you guys will play. Is all this around that circle we just walked. And what we're going to play this time is the same thing, except instead of 1 extra lives, you guys are going to get 3. So you got 2 extra lives and your first one.
That means I get to be reckless.
And I'm going to have Team Blue, if you have an armband, you guys are going to start right here, like right in this corner. And the rest of the team, you guys are going to go to that corner with the blue barrel.
Hey, let's go back and in. Since they're spawning over there, they're gonna push this way and back toward us, like that way and this way.
That was me.
Hey, inside.
No, don't go inside.
Oh, no, don't go inside. Don't go inside. Oh, crap. Oh, God.
Hey, Kate, they go down. Right on that. Hey, Kate, cover. He's right on the other side of the building.
Hey, do you want to flank back?
You gotta fucking run. Go.
Hey, up here. Tangle down.
You got him?
No, not that guy over here.
He's still out.
Oh, God. Hey, cover.
Where's he at?
Where they at?
Top tower, right side. Drink.
Are there guys up there?
Hey, guy.
Let's go. Right here. Where is he?
Right in this doorway.
What doorway of this house right here?
No, the far one with the in between the blue. Go back.
No, stay up. Hold your position.
What am I doing a shot?
Hey, get him.
Yeah, I got 3 kills so far. He's not really. Not just that one area.
Hey, did you get him?
They won't get you. If you go fast. I think I got him in the one. Check. You peek. Right left.
Who is that?
Enemy. Hey! Okay,
Oh, he's out.
hit.
Hey, where's that?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
I got him.
You did? Hey, reloading.
I'm gonna go right above you.
I got 2. Let's go.
Hold on. Hey, cover, reload.
I got you. Watch back. Guy coming? You got corner? You got corner?
Cover me.
I got you.
Oh, he's out.
Oh, under stair.
Hit.
He's hit.
Hey.
Under stair. Come on, we need you up. Get him. Shoot him. He's under stair. Wait, is blind firing allowed?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah, but I wouldn't with your gun.
Why?
Cause
Because I can aim through a crack and shoot above.
where is he? Is he still there?
I don't know. Wait,
Hey, where's he at?
he's probably around this corner.
He's under him.
He's under what?
He's behind that stairs.
Behind the stairs.
Hey, just wait for him to push, alright?
I see him. He's peeking. He's peeking blue. Don't stick your head up.
When he moves forward.
Yeah, we move forward. Pop out and shoot.
No. Just wait for him to get a good shot. Alright, and yeah.
Move the fuck out.
I'll go up, you go right. Get him.
Reloading. We did. Watch out.
Hey, he's coming in. Oh, dude, he's in the house. I'm out of here. Hey, they're coming in from behind us. Behind.
Alright, let's do this. We need to be tangos. They're pushing behind. Go to the back.
Hey, they're in this doorway.
Yeah, I looked. Oh, I got hit in the head every time.
Look straight and that way. For the guy.
My battery doesn't quite fit in the stack, so I had to. It's a level 1 as well. I only got 0.28.
Hey, who's coming on this side?
It's too bad, but I think it's just wind. Where are they?
Hey, watch out, they're this way.
Hey, is anything coming that way? That one, the guy right down that corner, and all the way back.
How many you got now? Like some more? 3, I'm out.
You see him?
Oh, John's there.
Wait, hey, what if we can push around this way?
Here, I was just about where I'm turning the car. Yeah, I got one guy out. That was the 1911 I was trying to get you to. That's the Elite Force, right?
Yep. Oh, hit!
Nope.
No.
Are you guys dead?
We're good now. You just have to come back here.
Good?
No, I'm in now.
Hey. Tangle down, tangle down. Hey, who's all dead? Hey guys, this side! Hey guys, over here! Dude, I got 2 and 2 shots. Hey, they're straight ahead.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, there's gonna be people that way too. Hey, is that blue up there? Or
No, he's on our team.
alright.
Up there? Yeah, that guy that was at the whole time. Hey, someone flank left.
Hang on, hey, I'm reloading.
Watch out, there's a guy in door over here. Watch out.
Where at?
Right there.
Is he on the far corner? Hey, Revan,
What?
over here. Did you see him?
All over there, yeah.
Hey, watch that, Kate,
Do you see him?
Hey, watch out. Kid.
Kid, don't call me kid. You know my...
Yes, it is.
Is he popping back out?
Wait, why does that guy have a dead rag on his head and he's shooting at us?
Watch out, I said that guy wasn't on our team, the guy in the roof. That guy's wearing no shirt. Oh shit, there's somebody going. Yeah.
Hey, people.
Hey, there's a sniper of ours up top.
I got somebody. Hey, they're going up. Watch upstairs.
Hey, we got someone camping on us here.
Yeah, by the fence?
Hey, watch that fence. I'll watch this way.
Got him.
Watch out.
Watch it.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, I'm shooting right there. Oh god. Fire 2 bullets over there. Almost hit him. Oh god.
There's a guy going up. It's the same guy that was banging you.
Really? I keep thinking holy shit, where did that come from?
Doorway.
Huh?
Doorway.
Yeah, we can fire on him. Hit. Tell me that.
Is there a guy over there? Hey, there's a guy going through it. He just ran into the building.
Oh crap, I see him.
hit.
Oh, yeah, hit. Hey, Keaton, you're hit.
What?
Bang, bang.
Hit. Oh. Dang it.